from my hips with my head and body moving together.
Well, now, this moves up to make room for this part of your body through here. And then that also helps your shoulders getting this kind of thing rather than curved in this way. And I think...
I was just trying to be esoteric.
Well, you can do that, but you better do this first. Now turn your hands over.
He's just looking for donations, I bet. People came by and dropped things in his hands.
And this is the position. It's a movement. And take yourself back and forth.
Seems pretty easy now. I think my voice has just changed also.
Yes, your voice is getting a lot better.
This, yeah.
No.
No?
This.
It's that I'm not sure what it is yet. I know this.
Well, what else do you know?
I don't get what you're... I can sense the release that you're helping me with there.
All right.
But I don't get that I'm tightening there.
Well,
I don't know what I'm doing to tighten there.
Well, you aren't tightening it.
Not now.
You're breathing. Can't you get your breathing? All right. Now what does that do?
That's very easy.
Okay.
I won't say anything more.
Yes. While you're
But he quit while he's ahead.